Hi guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Simplified Invention. In this video, we are going to make a reverse parking alert system. Let's see how to make it. Let's go on to the video. Let's see what are the accessories required to make it. We need a plastic box, Arduino UN on the main component, ultrasonic sensor HCSR04, jumper cable male to female, a 9V battery, a DC buzzer or alarm, battery cap with MX23 pin. Before starting our project, first we have to program the Arduino UNO board by using Arduino IDE app in our laptop or PC. I have taken the programming cable. One end is USB pin and other end is Ethernet port. USB pin to be connected to the PC or laptop. This to the programming input in Arduino. You can run the program and you can start it. Code is given in the description. Now we'll start making it. I have programmed it. Now we'll connect the battery connector to the 9V battery, and now we'll take the ultrasonic sensor HCSR04 and we'll take the jumper cable male to female and we'll plug into ultrasonic sensor HCSR04. Okay, we have two inputs, positive and negative, from the DC buzzer. Now we'll start circuiting it. And now we'll insert the 9V battery input. Okay, it's working. Now we will glue all the circuit onto the plastic box so that I am doing the battery. Now we'll glue it and we'll stick it. First we'll fix the DC buzzer, and then we'll fix the Arduino UNO board. And then we'll fix the 9V battery. Then we will insert it. Then we'll fix the ultrasonic sensor in front of it. Now I'll close the lid. You can take it. I'll show the working. I'll place it in the car of the back side reverse and you can see the working. Let's go to the working. Thanks for watching our video. Please give a like, share, subscribe our channel Simplified Invention and click the bell icon to get the immediate notification when we upload any videos. Bye bye. Let's see you in the next video.